Hello friends, how are you? Today I have brought you information about 25 popular Afghan dishes. Hope you like the video, so let's start. Afghan cuisine is a delicious blend of flavors and influences from various regions, including Central Asia, the Middle East, and South Asia. Here are 25 popular Afghan foods and some places where they can be found. 1. Kabuli Pulao, a flavorful rice dish with meat, carrots, and raisins. Available in most Afghan restaurants. 2. Mantu, steamed dumplings filled with spiced ground meat and served with yogurt and tomato sauce. Commonly found in Afghan eateries. 3. Shak, boiled dumplings filled with leeks and topped with tomato and yogurt sauces. Available in traditional Afghan restaurants. 4. Kebabs, skewered grilled meats such as chicken, lamb, or beef, served with bread and salad. Found in many Afghan grill houses. 5. Bolani, stuffed flatbread with fillings like potatoes, leeks, or pumpkin. Often sold by street vendors or in Afghan bakeries. 6. Qabuli Uzbeki, a rice dish similar to Kabuli Pulao but with additional meat and spices, found in Afghan specialty restaurants. 7. Oshak, pasta shells filled with leeks and served with meat sauce and yogurt, available in Afghan restaurants. 8. Shorwa, a flavorful meat-based soup often made with lamb or chicken, served in Afghan households and traditional restaurants. 9. Mantu, baked dumplings filled with spiced ground meat and topped with tomato sauce and yogurt, commonly found in Afghan cuisine. 10. Sheer kurma, a sweet milk and vermicelli pudding with dried fruits and nuts, traditionally served during festivals and special occasions, available in Afghan sweet shops. 11. Kebabi murg, grilled chicken kebabs marinated in herbs and spices, found in Afghan grill houses and restaurants. 12. Kofta, spiced ground meatballs cooked in a rich tomato sauce, served in Afghan households and restaurants. 13. Balani kachalu, flatbread stuffed with seasoned mashed potatoes, sold by street vendors or in Afghan bakeries. 14. Chalo, plain steamed rice often served as a side dish with various main courses, available in Afghan restaurants. 15. Jalbi, deep-fried sweet pretzels soaked in sugar syrup, found in Afghan sweet shops and street food stalls. 16. Borani banjan, eggplant stew cooked with tomatoes, onions, and yogurt, served in Afghan households and restaurants. 17. Sabzi chalo, herbed rice pilaf often served with spinach or other greens, available in Afghan restaurants. 18. Ferni, a creamy rice pudding flavored with cardamom and topped with nuts, found in Afghan sweet shops and dessert spots. 19. Sambosas, fried pastry triangles filled with spiced ground meat or vegetables, sold by street vendors and in Afghan bakeries. 20. Horma, a flavorful meat stew cooked with onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices, served in Afghan households and restaurants. 21. Shami kebab, ground meat patties made with lentils, herbs, and spices, often served as an appetizer, found in Afghan restaurants. 22. Naan, traditional Afghan bread baked in a tandoor oven and served with various dishes, available in Afghan bakeries and restaurants. 23. Afghan ice cream, sheer yak, creamy ice cream flavored with rosewater, pistachios, and cardamom, found in Afghan dessert parlors. 24. Kedu burni, sweet and savory pumpkin dish cooked with tomatoes, onions, and spices, served in Afghan households and restaurants. 25. Balani gandana, flatbread stuffed with seasoned chopped scallions, sold by street vendors or in Afghan.
So guys, how do you like the video? If you like the video, then please subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Thanks.